I completed the 12 weeks of the Fitness with Flex challenge, and I lost about almost 30 pounds. We set a goal of 175 to 180, and I reached a little bit under 180 pounds. I was about 179.6. This experience has been amazing. It was hard. I'm not going to tell you it was easy. It was definitely hard. It was something where Max was able to push us through and encourage us, and every day both him and Sam would send us like daily messages to keep it going, and you know that we're in it. But in the end, we held ourselves accountable and we got the results, and it was worth it. I loved it. I recommend their program to anyone, and I've taken a lot from it. I've learned a lot from it, not only nutritionally, but also when it comes to exercises and things like that. So it's something that I'm going to continue to implement on my weekly routines. But it was definitely wonderful, and I'm completely happy with the results that I've gotten, and thank you.